All right, take out your spelling books. Open up to page 32. You guys say good morning to Addie.
Hey, yo, what's good, Addie?
Hey, Addie.
Stop jumping me, Addie.
Okay. There goes Addie. We are on page 32. And your spelling words this week are
You have a Band-Aid.
in a little bit. I'll get you one. Page 32. These are compound words. Compound words. Okay, when you have a compound word that acts like as an adjective, what's an adjective?
And then describes a noun.
Yeah, it describes a noun. Okay. They're often hyphenated so that you don't become confused about it. Okay. I said I would get you one in a minute. So, like for instance,
Where?
the reason they're hyphenated is so that like you're not confused about what is being described. So for instance, if you have the words old book collector, I don't know if you're gonna be. If you have the words old book collector, if you put a hyphen here, what's old?
The book.
The book is old?
No, the book, the collector.
The person doing, the collector is what's old. It's an old book collector. Okay? But if you put the hyphen here between old and book, now what is old?
The old collects books collector.
No.
Now what's old?
That's a tongue twister. The old book collects. That's one.
So the first situation, the first one, the hyphen between book and collector, we know that the person, the collector, is old. But if we put a hyphen between old and book, old book collector, now what's old?
The book.
Now the books are old. What's being collected? The old books are. So that's why we do those hyphens. It helps there not to be confusion about the situation or what's being described. Okay? So these compound words this year are easier than last year because last year on this unit you had like a mix of one word separated, like keyboard is one word, separated words like dining room, and then words that are hyphenated. For you guys this year, they are all hyphenated. They're all hyphenated. So you don't have to memorize which ones are hyphenated and which ones aren't. Okay, they're all hyphenated. You just have to know where the hyphens go. So that they will be considered spelled incorrectly if you don't put the hyphen in, or if you put the hyphen in at the incorrect spot, they will be considered misspelled. Sam?
Can we go outside and play Sparkle again?
Okay, let's not do that right now.
Later though?
Okay?
Yeah.
So, everybody take a look at the words. I will read down the list of words. You guys take a good look at them so you know where the hyphens go. We have old-fashioned, full length, problem solving, out of date, best-selling, well-informed, up-and-coming, long-distance, peace-loving, much improved, play-by-play, world-famous, part-time, far-reaching, matter-of-fact, player-manager, decision-making, up-to-the-minute, thirst-quenching, and secretary-treasurer. Anybody have questions on those words? Okay, we'll take the pretest in a moment. Pretest corrections are due tomorrow. And then pages 33 to 35 are due on Friday. And your spelling test is on Friday. Okay? So take a minute to look over the words while I put your homework on the board, and then we'll take the pretest.
Hey, Lily.
What a little
No,
bit like
Greco.
because they don't type.
Greco, you want a sharpened pen?
It's like
But it's
Let me
sharpened.
see it.
Shut up.
Can I borrow a pencil? I have one in my desk at my school's room, and I don't want to leave to go back there, so yeah.
Sharpened the pen.
Nobody cares.
The pen is
How much was it?
This year.
Oh, there wasn't a pen.
Can I borrow a pencil? Okay, everybody close your spelling books, and we will take the pretest. Close your spelling books, we'll take the pretest. I'm going to tell you while you're taking the pretest, you know how there's pauses sometimes and you're waiting? That would be a really good time to take out your planner and at least get your spelling written down in it. I already did it.
Awesome. If you haven't, or yeah, that
Mrs.
also
Sarah.
that time that we just had where I was writing the homework on the board, that would be a good time for you to be writing it in your
Can I use
planner.
the pretest on this?
No.
Does anybody
Okay.
have an extra marker?
Okay, right now there's a lot of like blurting out happening and just talking and saying things. I'm gonna start giving checks. Okay? What?
Do you have an extra marker for planner? Where like
No, I don't. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, close your books. Here we go. Number 1, old-fashioned. Traveling by a horse and buggy is old-fashioned. Old-fashioned. Number 2, full length. The girls wore full-length prom gowns. Full length. Number 3, problem solving. A principal must be good at problem solving. problem solving. 4, secretary treasurer. The financial work is assigned by the secretary treasurer. Secretary treasurer. 5, long distance. The relay racer wanted to become a long distance runner. Long distance. Part-time. He is a part-time college student. Part-time. 7, far-reaching. Water shortages in the West can have far-reaching effects. Far-reaching. 8, matter of fact. The nurse calmed us with her matter of fact report of the accident. Matter of fact. Nine, decision making. The coach, not the players, has the decision-making role. Decision-making. Okay, number 10, best-selling. A list of best-selling books is in the paper. Best-selling. Out of date. The highway map is out of date. Out of date. 12, well-informed. A TV reporter is usually well-informed. Well-informed. 13, up and coming. The coach was looking for up and coming basketball players. Up and coming. That's 13, yes. 14, peace-loving. The peace-loving group wore armbands at the rally. Peace-loving. 15, much improved. The student received recognition for his much improved work. Much improved. 16, play-by-play. The sportscaster gave a play-by-play description. Play-by-play. 17, world famous. Pete was a world famous athlete. World famous. 18, player manager. The outfield fielder took on a new job of player manager. Player manager. Up to the minute. Television offers up to the minute news. Up to the minute. And 20 is thirst quenching. Lemonade is a thirst quenching drink. Thirst quenching. Does anybody need anything repeated? All right.